And welcome back. Cricket is where we begin. In less than 24 hours, Jamaica's cricket stakeholders will vote to decide whether Wilfred Billy Heaven returns as president of the Jamaica Cricket Association or whether his longtime vice president, Dr. Donovan Bennett, will take charge. Jerome Foster reports.
The alarm bells rung out to Wilfred Billy Heaven at the back end of 2023 that he was going to be challenged by his long-standing vice president, Dr. Donovan Bennett. Heaven, who's led the association for 10 years, has defended his stewardship and believes he has done enough to secure another 2-year term on Thursday at the annual general meeting slated for the Jamaica Conference Center.
Our count is putting us in a good position. We believe in what they tell us and what they have confirmed with us. We are not doing anything to shake our integrity or our honesty or our decency in the process.
Heaven defeated Milton Henry in 2013, Fritz Harris in 2016, and Mark Nita in 2019 before going unopposed in 2021. However, Melbourne Cricket Club president Nita, who was once a vice president to Heaven, feels the tide is likely to turn come Thursday.
It's not enough to say that let's forget what has gone for the past 10 years and let's plan for the future. Because the future with this administration, I think, is going to spell disaster for the game. So I'm hoping that all of us as cricket lovers who are involved in club and parish understand the importance of this election and there's just a need for change. And I think the change is now.
Dr. Bennett insisted that he was forced to save the state of the nation's cricket, which he thinks is heading southerly.
Going for the presidency of Jamaica's cricket is a reflection of the state of cricket in Jamaica, and I figure that I can do something to move the process forward because I enjoy the goodwill of a lot of people in cricket, and they have committed to me that because let us face facts, the state of Jamaica cricket right now, no one person can fix it. The problems are enormous, and it basically would take all hands on board to do that.
And speaking with Dr. Bennett, he has told us that he's embarking on a different road, that he will no longer be encouraging the partisan cricket politics, rural versus the urban, and that he's now looking to embrace all of us, the clubs and parishes, as part of his plan going forward. He has even told us that, after this election, we're all going to sit down and map a plan forward for the game. Now, I'm holding him to his word.
Fritz Harris and Dr. Akshay Mansingh are part of Dr. Bennett's slate, which has forced the incumbent to make wholesale changes to his.
Colin Hitchman out of Westmoreland as our first vice president. We bring back Clinton Clark, Malden Miller, Terence Richards, and Michael Atterbury.
You know that I know about politics, all right? I've been there, done that. There are some votes you won't get, all right? So that's not what I am worried about.
It's left to be seen where the majority of X's will be placed, but Jamaica's cricket future will be in the hands of 99 delegates at the Jamaica Conference Center on Thursday. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.